Hannah, you are a force. You, you're strong. You're talented. You're a beautiful woman. I love your spirit I love your spirit and your drive and the way you light up a room.
I have to admit, that as Greg's younger brother, it's almost a little bit bittersweet. Growing up with Greg as a big brother, it was like growing up on easy mode. He always went first. He always made the tough decisions. He spoke for me when I was too shy or too nervous. He also always ordered the best dishes at restaurants. He did all the stupid things that pissed my parents off before I had a chance to do them. And no matter how annoyed or embarrassed or frustrated I made Greg, he always stood by my side. He never abandoned me. So while I see Greg and Hannah starting the new family, it's incredibly exciting, but I have to admit, I'm a little bit jealous because I know exactly what kind of husband Greg's going to be, and maybe father. But that much, it's not up to me. But it's also incredibly exciting because we get to welcome Hannah into the family. Over the last 5 years, I've come to know Hannah as somebody who's incredibly smart and kind and patient.
And someone gave me a microphone and told me to talk about my sister, and I really could just go on and on forever about all the ways that I adore her. But I know that Greg adores her the way that I do. And Hannah knows that I've always carried her heart, but Greg will carry it too.
Everyone says that love finds you when you least expect it, and I certainly did not expect it to find me in the middle of the Ozarks. You were the kid who showed up late, whose last name I couldn't spell, so I just saved you in my phone as Greg, not expecting how often that name would show up on my screen in the near and distant future. From the first night we spent hiding out in the men's dressing room, talking about our families and our upbringings and our values, I knew that I couldn't let you go. I had never met someone like you. You were and are the perfect blend of all the things I could ask for in a partner, and so much more. You showed me from the very beginning the kind of man you are: intellectual, driven, family-oriented, and passionate. You continue to show me the kind of man, and you continue to show me the kind of love I had only dreamt about and never believed I could find. I fell in love with you, body, mind, and soul.
I've thought a lot about what I might say to you today, Hannah. But words are so poignant that they can only be spoken in this moment to this most singular woman in my life. I quickly found that coaxing the words out would be no small task, and thus began my journey to find my vows. After countless drafts and meandering stories, I found myself pondering a single idea. What can I offer to the most amazing woman I have ever met? What promises do I need to make, or should I make? In the end, I came to the conclusion that felt so right, I wasn't even shocked that I have arrived at it. But first, Hannah, I am constantly in awe of how spectacular you are, and I feel so lucky to get to be your husband.
You are unlike anyone I've ever met. Your passion for life is unparalleled. You continue to show me the depths of your love with each new day. You never falter, never waver. You hold strong and true to the people you believe in. I was really nervous to say these out loud because I didn't want to mess them up. But then I remembered that you love me no matter what. You love me when I trip over my words, when I'm speechless, when I accidentally say the very wrong thing at the very wrong time.
On this note, a wise woman shared some words with me that I feel profoundly poignant in this moment, and I'd like to share them. I am my beloved. I am my beloved's. And my beloved is mine. Hannah Christina Paleo, I love you with everything in me, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life sharing in this incredible love with you.
I am Thank you, everyone, and welcome. You know, I often thank my husband for giving me the most incredible family when I married him. And now I have to thank my son for giving me this lovely daughter-in-law and more beautiful family.
I'm so strong, not invincible. Oh, girl, I try to make more space for you. I've given up my second room. I'm bedding out on my own, just down the bed. Tell me where we're going. I'm not aware. Tell me where we're going.
And it's my distinct honor and pleasure to welcome the newlyweds, Hannah and Gregory. I guess we make this a bride.